everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use SketchBook Free Edition to draw chicks. 今天我给大家讲一下怎么用 SketchBook 这个免费的 app 来画一下国画里的小鸡。On the right, we choose black color. 右面选一下黑色。On the left, we choose under Artist, the white frayed bristles. 在左面呢，我们选择在艺术画笔里面的湿磨损钢毛笔。Change the size to 50 and opacity to 75%. 把大小换成50，然後把不透明度換成75%。We draw 5 round chick heads. 我們畫5個圓圓的小雞腦袋。Now change the size to 30. 現在把大小換成30。Now we draw the wings. The bottom of the wings are round. The tip of the wings are pointy.小鸡的翅膀根呢画得圆一点，翅膀尖呢画得尖一点。Now we change the size to 10. 我们把大小换成10。We're going to draw the tail of the chicks. 我们来画一下小鸡的尾巴。Now we increase the size to 50 and decrease the opacity to 50%. 我们现在把大小变成50，把不透明度变成50%。We draw the round chick bodies, including the chest, belly, and back. 我们来画一下小鸡的身体，包括它的胸、腹和背。Now we decrease the size to 30. 我们把大小变成30。We draw the chicken legs. 我们画一下鸡的腿。It's not all the chicken has 2 legs visible. Some of them only has 1 leg visible. 不是所有的小鸡都可以看到2条腿，有些小鸡只有1条腿可以看到。Now we change the size to 5. 我们把大小变成5 opacity to 100%. 不透明度升为100%。We draw the feet for these chicks. Each of the feet, they have 4 toes, 3 of them pointing forward and 1 is pointing backward. The middle toe is the longest. 每只小鸡的脚呢有4个脚趾，3个脚趾向前，1个脚趾向后。We also draw the beak for these chicks. 我们也给小鸡画一下它的尖尖的嘴。If the chick is talking, we're not only going to draw a triangle, we also draw a straight line underneath the triangle, which means the chick has an open mouth talking. 我们如果想让小鸡就是在叫或者在讲话的话呢，我们可以把嘴张开。张开的画法呢，就是上面画一个三角，下面画一个横线。We also draw the feather for the chicken wings. 我们也给小鸡画一下它翅膀上的羽毛。Each of the chicken wings has 3 lines for the feather. 每一个翅膀呢画3条线来代表它的这个羽毛。We also use a round dot for the chicken eyes. 我们用一个圆的点来代表小鸡的眼睛。Some of the chicks has a foot lifted. 有些小鸡的脚呢是抬起来的。It's representing the chick is walking. 这代表小鸡正在走路。Some of the chick has a head turned backwards. 有些小鸡的脑袋呢是向后。We're trying to have a story in our picture. 我们试图在这个画里面体现一个故事的情节。For example, the bottom chicken is saying like, wait up, I want to eat too. And the top one is turning his head saying, come on, friend, there's a food. 比如说下面第3只小鸡呢，就是嘴张着，它就说，等我呀，等我，我也要来吃。上面这个中间的这个小鸡呢，它回头跟它的伙伴说这边有吃的，你快点来呀。Now we change the color to white. 我们换一下，右边换一下白色的颜色。We draw the pupil of the chicks. 我们给小鸡点一下眼睛。Which direction the chick is looking for? Then draw the white dot in that direction. 小鸡往哪看呢？就把这个白点点在那个方向。Now we switch to the orange color. 右面选一下橘红色 and change the opacity to 75%. Change size to 10. 把不透明度呢换成75%，大小换成10。We draw the cone for the chicks. 我们给小鸡画一下鸡冠。Switch back to black color. 换回黑色。Change the opacity to 10% and size to 100. 把不透明度降为10%，大小换成100。We draw the Z-shaped ground. 我们来画一下之字形的地面。Now we're going to switch to Texture Essential and choose the speckled. 我们在纹理要素里面选一下斑点。Under Advanced, decrease the size randomness to 0. 在高级选项里面，把大小的随机化降为0。Change the size to 100. 把大小调成100。Press 3 times for the rest. 点3下，这样就代表地上的米。Now you get your chick stories. 现在你画了一个小鸡的故事。If you like this video, please choose either like, comment, or subscribe below. 如果你喜欢这个视频的话呢，请在下面点赞、投币、收藏或者分享里任选一下。Thank you, let's draw together, bye!